Hey, amazing people. We've got a problem to work through here, and what we're told is the angle of depression of a boat from the top of a cliff is 8 degrees. If the boat is 350 meters from the base of the cliff, calculate the height of the cliff correct to the nearest meter. Now, the first thing you want to do whenever you're dealing with a problem like this is you want to draw a diagram of what's happening here. So let's go ahead and draw that diagram now. Now, with our diagram here, we need to add the information onto it. So what we first of all want to do is we're told that there is an angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff. So we're going to draw a line here showing that. Now, angle of depression is measured from the horizontal, and the horizontal is going to be represented by this dotted line here. So the angle of depression that we are measuring here is this angle here. And so we're told that is 8 degrees. And then the other piece of information we're told is the boat is 350 meters from the base of the cliff. So that's going to be down here. So we've got from the base of the cliff out to the boat. Okay, so you can start to see the triangle which is forming here. Now, one key piece of information is that angle of depression of 8 degrees, we can also change and put in as part of the lower triangle here by using the idea of parallel lines and alternate angles. And so because of that, this angle here is going to also be 8 degrees. And that's really, really helpful for creating this triangle, which we can then use, because you can clearly see with the cliff, the boat, and the water that we have a right angle triangle here. So what we're asked to find is the height of the cliff. So this here, this is going to be, let's call it X. That's going to be what we need to find out here. So as we go about that now, what's going to happen is we need to work out the height of that cliff. So based on the information we have, we can see that we've got an angle of 8 degrees. Across from that angle, we've got X. That's going to be our opposites. And then the 350 meters, which we've got here, that's going to be our adjacent side that we've got. And so what we then need to do is we've got an O and an A. We need to determine what ratio we're using here. So in this instance, what we're going to use is we're going to use the tan ratio. So tan theta is equal to O over A. And so from this, we can take this information and substitute it into this. So as we go about that, we're going to have tan 8 degrees is equal to X over 350. And from here, as we rearrange this, so I would rearrange this by multiplying both sides by 350. That's going to give me X equal to 350 times tan 8. So from here, what I want to do is I want to type this into my calculator. So 350 times tan 8. And that's going to give me an answer of 49. And we're told that we want it to the nearest meter. So in this instance, that's then going to become just 49 meters.